Welcome to Josna's Recipes, and this is how I make it. I am going to show you how to make dosa batter, which is one of the most loved dishes in all over India for all age groups at any part of the day, and it is called crepe outside India. So it has lot different fillings in it. So we can also have an regular aloo onion filling, or I also use cucumber, tomato, and paneer. Or sometimes if there is a party, I also add little cheese into it. So let's do it. So for a regular dosa batter, we are taking all the measures with any cup, but it should be a leveled measure. So I'm using this cup and a leveled measure of urad dal. Then I'm taking 2 tablespoons of chana dal. I'm taking 1 spoon of moong dal. Now I've taken 1 tablespoon of sago and 1 teaspoon leveled of methi seeds. And next goes in, we are taking 4 level cups of sonamasoori rice. I'm using sonamasoori. You can use any other rice except basmati. So look at this, it should be leveled. So I'm using 4 leveled cups of sonamasoori rice. Now, the trick here is to wash all these 3 times till you get clean water and soak it. And to this, we are going to add a secret ingredient. I'll wash it and then we'll add it. So, our secret ingredient is this thick poha, which we use for kande pohe, and I've taken half a cup of this poha and we are going to soak. It is all ready to soak. So if you are staying in a warm country, this should soak for at least 8 hours, and then we'll grind it to a smooth paste and again allow it to ferment for another 6 to 8 hours. If in 6 to 8 hours, if it puffs up, well and good, or give it some more time. In cold country, you need to soak it for 12 hours and you need to ferment it after grinding into smooth paste for another 12 hours or 16 hours, and just see that it puffs up. So because we have added methi seeds to this, it's going to definitely puff up. So I'm going to soak this and then come back when it is all ready to grind. So after nearly 12 plus 8, 20 hours, because it's quite cold here, it's almost 1 degree. So it took 20 hours, and look at that, these bubbles. It shows that it's fermented well because there are, you can see the bubbles, and it is ready for us to make the dosa. So look at the batter and we are ready to make dosa. So my griddle is hot and I am going to pour batter onto it, and I'm using one flat based katori. It makes your job easier and you can spread it as thin as possible. Look at that. And after the batter dries up, we are going to drizzle few drops of oil, and when you see a golden brown sides, we are going to flip it. So you can see the golden brown edges. So it's ready. Some people flip it and they want crisp, but here we are just going to fold this and it is ready to serve. Look at the crispness. So I'm also going to show you how to make uttapam with the same batter. So before we make the next dosa, we need to wipe this and then make it, because on non-stick surface we had drizzled little oil for the last dosa, and this should be, uttapam should be little thick, so I'm not going to make it thin at all. And before it dries up, before the batter dries up, we are supposed to spread little finely chopped onion, and then we'll also add few green chilies. If you like it hot, you can put more green chilies. Sometimes I just put it in the chopper along with the onion. Some cashew nuts, coarsely ground cashew nuts. They give a very good texture and taste. Let me just dab it a little so it sticks to the batter. Now we'll drizzle some oil. Uttappa needs oil because it is little thick, and if you want it crisp, so I'm going to drizzle it on all the sides and allow it to cook from the back side. And I'm going to flip this. We need to flip this and make this nice and crisp. Look at that. Ready? That's how we go. Look at the color. And we'll wait till the other side goes crisp and little golden. If you want to know a trick, I'm going to show you another trick. See, look at this container. It has a flat bottom, isn't it? If you put it on top of this, it gets crisp evenly on all the sides. So I'm going to just giving little weight on it so that it goes crisp all over. So it was almost 1 minute. I'm going to remove this and let us check. Hey, look at that. Everything has gone crisp. So it is ready to serve. It should be served as it is. So that's how we take the uttapam and we serve the chutney with it. Here, our uttapam is ready, crisp and nice. It's smelling very good. Try it and let me know how it was. So we'll meet you with another recipe. Take care.